different physically and different in the way we think. We could live on human worlds, but we would always be a race apart and never really belong there." "I suppose we've all thought about it," Craig said, "and wondered what we'll do when we're finished with the Gurns. Not settle down on Athena or Earth, in a little cottage with a fenced-in lawn, where it would be adventure to watch the 3D shows after each day at some safe, routine job." "Not back to Ragnarok," Lake said. "With metals and supplies from other worlds, they'll be able to do a lot there, but the battle is already won. There will be left only the peaceful development, building a town at the equator for big winter, leveling land, planting crops. We could never be satisfied with that kind of a life." "No," he said, and felt his own restlessness stir in protest at the thought of settling down in some safe and secure environment. "Not Athena, or Earth, or Ragnarok. Not any world we know." "How long until we're finished with the Gurns?" Lake asked. 10 years? We'll still be young then. Where will we go, all of us who fought the Gurns, and all of the ones in the future who won't want to live out their lives on Ragnarok? Where is there a place for us, a world of our own?" "Where do we find a world of our own?" he asked, and watched the star clouds creep toward them in the view-screen, tumbled and blazing and immense beyond conception. "There's a galaxy for us to explore," he said. "There are millions of suns and thousands of worlds waiting for us. Maybe there are races out there like the Gurns, and maybe there are races such as we were 100 years ago who need our help. And maybe there are worlds out there with things on them such as no man ever imagined. We'll go to see what's there. Our women will go with us, and there will be some worlds on which some of us will want to stay. And always there will be more restless ones coming from Ragnarok. Out there are the worlds and the homes for all of us." "Of course," Lake said. "Beyond the space frontier. Where else would we ever belong?" It was all settled then, and there was a silence as the battleship plunged through hyperspace, the cruiser running beside her and their drives moaning and thundering as had the drives of the Constellation 200 years before. A voyage had been interrupted then, and a new race had been born. Now they were going on again, to Athena, to Earth, to the farthest reaches of the Gurn Empire, and on to the wild, unknown regions of space beyond. There awaited their worlds, and there awaited their destiny, to be a race scattered across 100,000 light-years of suns, to be an empire such as the galaxy had never known. They, the restless ones, the unwanted and forgotten, the survivors. The end of Space Prison by Tom Godwin.